In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to make loop video in DaVinci Resolve. So first of all, open effects panel, then go to effects here and drag and drop this fusion composition effect. If you can't find it, then you can just simply search for it, but I have found it here. Now drag and drop it onto your timeline. Now you can see this effect is for 5 seconds and I want my clip to be looped for 15 seconds. So for that we just need to increase the length of our fusion composition like this. So I want my video to be looped for 15 seconds, so that's why I'll make it 15 seconds. Now all we need to do is select your fusion composition effect, right click on it, then click on open in fusion page, and now it will take you to the fusion page. Here we need to open media pool, and now right click on your media pool here, then click on import media and import the video which you want to loop in DaVinci Resolve. So my video is in downloads, so I'll select it. So this is the video and you can see the length of this video is 7 seconds. So I'll just select it and then hit open. If you want to know your video length, then for that click on this eye icon and then you will get to know your video length. So we just need to drag and drop this clip on our fusion like this. Now we need to take this node and now connect it to this yellow arrow just like this, and now your video will be available on media preview. Now to make it loop, we just need to select our media in node which will be your clip, and now enable inspector from here and make sure to check mark this option which is loop. Once you check mark it, you can see the global in and out point has been changed to 899. Before that it was something around here. Now if I go to my edit page, you can see my video is successfully looped on my timeline. You can see it here. But if I increase the duration of my fusion composition, the video will gray out from here. You can see no frame is available here. So to fix it, we need to select our fusion composition, right click on it, click on open in fusion page and drag this global out handle to the end just like this. And now if I go back to my edit page, you can see the video is successfully looped on my timeline. So this is the complete process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.